I'm Eddie Field with Field Guide to DIY with a quick tip tooltip. Trying to glue up a tabletop without bar clamps or pipe clamps? You probably have some ratcheting tie downs. Use those.
Here's how.
You want to get your joints as tight as possible because the straps do not have the strength that a bar clamp or pipe clamp has. But if you've got that tolerance, you want to protect the wood, tighten up your strap, and start bringing it together. If you have any gaps, help the straps out with the mallet. We're going to let this set up overnight and we'll get back to work on it tomorrow. I'm Eddie Field with Field Guide to DIY. If this has been helpful, be sure to click like and subscribe for more tool tips like this one.